And this is the hail this is the thunderstorm of, it's 6/14/2014. The gutters are pouring, the streets are kind of flooding. As you can hear, the thunder's roaring like a tiger. It is flooding like no day has ever flooded before. And I repeat, look it. You could see all the water coming down the street. You saw this? When you were standing here, you'd be amazed by what the weather is doing right now. It's very, 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 very interesting. Next video, I'm gonna get a shot of the backyard. But yeah, that's that.
It's great for the grass.
You can see all the water. It's pouring. You can see the hail bouncing in the grass.
You should watch it in the backyard, Alex. It's pretty cool.
Okay, right now we're gonna come back to we're gonna go to the backyard and we'll be right back out here looking at the front yard.